Tech Wars, Manufacturing Business Ideas. Here are some product ideas and business opportunities that startups and vendors in the manufacturing sector can provide to their clients using AI. AI-powered predictive maintenance solutions that analyze machine data to anticipate equipment failures and optimize maintenance schedules in manufacturing plants. Robotics automation systems enhanced by AI algorithms that can perform repetitive and complex tasks with precision and efficiency in manufacturing processes. AI-driven quality control systems that use computer vision and machine learning to detect defects and ensure product consistency and compliance. Smart inventory management solutions utilizing AI algorithms to optimize inventory levels, minimize stockouts, and improve supply chain efficiency in manufacturing operations. AI-enabled demand forecasting tools that analyze historical data, market trends, and external factors to predict future demand and optimize production planning. AI-driven energy management systems that optimize energy usage, monitor consumption patterns, and identify areas for efficiency improvement in manufacturing facilities. AI-powered supply chain optimization platforms that analyze data across the supply chain to improve logistics, reduce costs, and enhance delivery speed and accuracy. AI-driven process optimization solutions that analyze manufacturing data to identify bottlenecks, streamline workflows, and improve overall operational efficiency. AI-based product customization platforms that leverage machine learning algorithms to offer personalized and configurable products to customers in the manufacturing sector. AI-driven workforce management systems that optimize labor allocation, skill matching, and performance tracking to enhance productivity and resource utilization in manufacturing environments. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.